everyone, for today's video, I will introduce to you our welding glass, the clear and dark shades. Alam nyo ba that this small piece of glass serves as protection? Want to know more? Please keep on watching.
Welding glass is a specialized type of glass that is designed to protect the welder's eyes and face from the intense light and heat generated during the welding process. The level of protection provided by welding glass depends on the shade of the glass. The darker the shade, the better. Here at KDG Tools, we offer all your welding needs, from the glass up to machine.
Our welding glass is available here in the shop or shop via Facebook page or LAZADA store. Oh, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Order na! Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you next video!